Yo everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get more than 20 followers a day using this trick. First of all, just want to tell you that instead it is number followers, like just for you to increase the showing followers. So let's get started. You need to follow this account and follow everything this account follows. So this account, which is also a Vijay account, and follow the following he has, you will directly get some new followers, and if you do it each day you'll get more than 20 followers a day. If you want to try this trick yourself, and comment down below if it worked for you, but I'm pretty sure it will work because I tried it on so many accounts, and I have an account that has more than 1000 followers using this trick. If you want, guys, check my channel. I do loads of tricks and tutorials. You might find a video that's important to you. So, and if you want, subscribe to support the channel. See you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.